In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Stripe money. We'll walk through connecting your bank account, checking your available funds, initiating a payout, and choosing the transfer type that works best for you. I'll also share a few tips along the way, so everything goes smoothly. First, connect your bank account so Stripe knows where to send your money. In your dashboard, open Settings, then find Bank Accounts and Scheduling. Choose Add Bank Account and enter your bank details exactly as they appear with your bank. Make sure the account holder name and numbers are accurate, and that the account is able to receive transfers in your currency. Save your changes. If Stripe asks for additional verification, follow the prompts and return here once the account is connected. Next, check how much money is available to withdraw. Head to the Balances section on your dashboard here. You'll see what's available versus what's pending. Available funds are ready to be paid out now. Pending funds are still processing from recent charges or disputes, and will move to available automatically once they clear. If the amount you expect isn't available yet, give it a little time based on your payment processing timelines. When you are ready, initiate the payout. Click Payout and enter the amount you want to transfer. You can withdraw up to your available balance, and you'll see if you are trying to exceed that. Double-check the destination bank account if you have more than one connected. This is a good moment to confirm you are comfortable with the amount and destination before continuing. Now, choose your transfer type. For a no-fee option, pick Standard. This is free and typically arrives in 2 to 7 business days, depending on your bank and region. Keep in mind that weekends and bank holidays can extend the timeline a bit. If you need your money faster, choose Instant. For US dashboard users, the fee is 1.5% of the payout amount, and the funds usually reach your linked debit card or eligible bank account within about 30 minutes. Availability depends on your bank and any instant payout limits. Stripe will show you the fee before you confirm, so there are no surprises. That's it. Connect your bank, check your balance, initiate the payout, and choose between Standard and Instant based on cost and speed. Review your details, confirm, and you are done. Thanks for watching.